Are there legal protections against misgendering? Misgendering is a serious issue that affects many people, especially those who identify as transgender or gender diverse. It can impact their mental health and body image. So, what does the law say about it? In the United States, there are legal protections against misgendering, particularly in workplaces. Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 prohibits discrimination based on sex. Courts have interpreted this to include gender identity and expression. This means that if someone deliberately misgenders a person at work, it can be seen as sex discrimination. Such behavior can create a hostile work environment, which is against the law. However, it is important to note that occasional or accidental misgendering usually does not lead to legal action. It must be part of a pattern of harassment or abuse to qualify for legal consequences. Some states and local areas have additional laws that specifically protect against discrimination based on gender identity or expression. These laws can include protections against misgendering in various settings, such as schools, housing, and public places. The scope and enforcement of these laws can vary, but they generally support individuals in affirming their gender identity. There are ongoing legal discussions about how far these protections reach, especially when it comes to free speech rights. For example, some proposed laws aiming to ban misgendering in specific contexts have faced pushback. This is due to concerns about First Amendment rights, particularly in states like Colorado and California. Courts have sometimes ruled that overly broad laws that criminalize misgendering without context may violate free speech protections. Misgendering can have serious psychological effects. It can lead to increased stress, anxiety, and feelings of invalidation. These feelings can worsen body image issues and make individuals more vulnerable to eating disorders. Using the correct pronouns and names is essential for affirming a person's gender identity. This support is vital for mental health and well-being, especially in preventing and treating eating disorders. Legal protections against misgendering in workplaces, schools, and healthcare settings help create safer environments. These protections reduce stigma and discrimination, promoting healthier body image and mental health outcomes for transgender and gender diverse individuals.